the climate of Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, what type of climate is there in Democratic Republic of Congo? Now, as we know that Democratic Republic of Congo lies in the equatorial region. It lies in the equatorial region, or you can say between the two tropics, means in the tropical region. Equatorial region, why? Do you remember, students, when we were discussing chapter number 4, we had discussed that equatorial region is that region which lies near the equator, and it is also called the tropical region because this region lies between the two tropics, between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So this country lies in the equatorial region, and we had also discussed that what type of climate is there in the equatorial region. The equatorial region has hot and wet type of climate. It has hot and wet type of climate, as this region receives direct rays of the sun, as the sun rays fall vertically on this region. That's why this region has hot and wet type of climate, or you can say hot and humid throughout the year. This area or this region remains hot and humid throughout the year. Now, what do you mean by humid or humidity? Humidity means amount of water vapor in the air. Amount of water vapor in the air. Due to high temperature and high humidity, every afternoon there is a heavy rainfall in Democratic Republic of Congo. As we know, the temperature is very high. Due to that, the water and the lakes and the rivers get evaporated, which causes the formation of clouds. This formation of clouds causes rainfall every afternoon at 4 p.m. and that's why this rainfall is also called the 4 p.m. rainfall. So at 3 p.m. there is a formation of clouds is there, and at 4 p.m. there is heavy rainfall in some parts of Democratic Republic of Congo. Now these forests are also called evergreen forest because the trees in these forests do not shed their leaves at one time of the year. They shed their leaves at different times or different seasons of the year, and that's why these forests remain green throughout the year. Because of this, these forests are also called evergreen forest. So the climate of Democratic Republic of Congo is very hot and humid throughout the